Hi, by 11A, and welcome to week 6. So I have some announcements for you. I give you an extension on that McGrawHill chapter 8. This week we had a piece of chapter 7 and a piece of chapter 8, and I failed to put it in Canvas. It was only on McGrawHill, so some of you didn't see that, so I extended that. I just finished grading majority of the energy papers, and those were great, you guys. You came up with some really good articles, and actually I learned a lot doing that. So that was really interesting to me, and I hope you got something good out of that. It's very interesting. The exams went well. The mean was 74.5, which is like middle C, so that's exactly what we expect, halfway. And middle C is usually the average, and some of you did super well. The highest was like 96, so good job on that. Good. That was the first one. It was sort of unknown, and you nailed that, so that's good. I just took a brief look at some of the DNA photos that are coming in, and they're good. You get that DNA out of the strawberry. I'm delighted. I did receive one extra credit already, and I haven't quite looked at it yet, but just a reminder to all of you, if you're not happy with your exam results, let's say, take a look at the extra credits. That's 7 extra points every time you go outside, read a book. But hikes are the ones that I recommend, different places you can go. So that'll give you some leeway if you feel like you need some more of those points back from maybe some missed exam questions. So we move on. I think we're doing well, and I think we're communicating well. Just stay in touch and have a great upcoming week. Bye-bye.